All right, I want to shoot a video here on Agency Command, how we're using it, and how you guys have an opportunity to use it for marketing. First, how you get to it. Log in, password list, Agency Command. Going to take you in here. Okay. Agency Command is the name. It was started by a couple insurance agency owners years ago. We've been in the group for about 7 or 8 years, and it runs off of a company called Ontraport. Ontraport's a digital marketing company similar to like Infusionsoft. A lot of people seem to know that company. Allows us to do preset emails, pull in contacts, all kinds of level of automation. I reached out to Sylvia, who's sort of our contact at Agency Command, and she said, really, in terms of getting support or learning the system, this quick start checklist, right? And I will say the system is pretty good at, so if you want to import contacts or you've got contacts, you can watch a video for pretty much everything. And it will show you what to do. If you say, okay, I want a step-by-step guide on, how to do a birthday campaign or, capturing your leads with text message. There's a ton of stuff in here. They also have really good live chat, so you can literally just go right to live chat, and reach out and ask questions there. So I would suggest going in here and looking through this if you're interested in using it a little bit more. We also have a lot of what happens with regards to Agency Command comes down to preset sequences. These sequences allow us to say, okay, we want to go ahead and lay out a program where people are going to get certain touch points from us through whatever time frame. So here's the one for holiday greetings you guys have all seen, for example, of how these go out. And this was all done by Agency Command at the very beginning of the year. Okay. Then it'll show you what emails have been opened, who's clicked on it, etc. Steps can also include text messaging, postcards. They have the ability to do landing pages, which is right here. So we've had a whole bunch of landing pages that we've created over the years. So can't stress enough from a marketing standpoint. This is a great opportunity if you guys really want to step up and do more and really kind of get more involved in it. You certainly can. So that's kind of the big picture overview. I would say, just try and keep it as simple as possible. Your immediate next steps would be, if you're interested, is A, log in, look through the system a little bit, go through again here some of the initial how to get started stuff. And then you can certainly let us know if there's any specific things you want to work on or create, and then we can get some help for you on that.